Welcome to Livestreaming weekly breakdown for June 22nd through June 26th. In today's video, we're going to go over all the setups and all the callouts that helped us navigate the market. Let's get into the trades. Okay, we're going to start today's video on June 22nd. We see on June 22nd, we had a high of 750.22 and a low of 742.98. Now let's look at the trading plan that we used in order to accomplish this task. So look at the date, look at the time. Every morning I get up and make a trading plan for the members so we know exactly what to expect. Now let's check out the bolt down. So before the market opened, let's look at the bolt down. We wanted to see the price spike down, retrace back up to maybe a little bit underneath 746.62 before another push down. Let's take a look at the pricing for June 22nd. We see the spike down, the retracement back up to 746.62 right here before the push back down. Every single price point hit to perfection. And now we're going to see how we accomplish this task in the live stream. Doesn't matter what happens from here. We can't lose, right? Now you need to figure out, are you going to survive the week cycle or not? This is what you need to figure out. Look at the money we printed. Look at this money. It's too easy. It's too easy. I'm going to mark out blue here for the wins because this is what the call out actually was, because I literally drew it on the screen and I told everyone we're in blue until we're not. Once we break this blue, different story. If you're waiting, then wait. Everything happened. Everything I said would happen, happened to perfection. And if that wasn't good enough for you, this morning, I went and told everyone to look at your 30-minute chart. Use the 30-minute chart. Okay, moving right along to June 23rd. On June 23rd, we had a high of about 739.63 and a low of 732.20. Let's look at the pre-market. So before the market opened, we had our trading plan. Let's look for the micro inverse cup and handle here. So before the market opened, we wanted to see the price spike up to a little bit above 737.92, retrace back down before forming this handle. Now let's see what happened in real life again. As you can see, the price spiked up to right above 737.92, retracing back down and forming this handle at 735.47. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's see how we played that out in real life. Look at the money we just printed. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look, I told everybody this purple's holding up and the blue's holding up. We're gonna see who's gonna win. Super lick. There's so many opportunities we had here. Look at the money. Oh my goodness. Oh, Oz took it on the 5. Look at Oz on the 5. Wow. Look at the money Oz just printed day one. Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. All right, look, we're going to see some hostility right here, right? We're on the bottom of this lick box and we hit target right here. So be careful here. Which brings us to June 24th. On June 24th, we had a high of about 739.97 and a low of 731.28. Now in pre-market, let's go to the 24th. Let's look for the inverse cup and handle. For the inverse cup and handle, we want to see the price spike up, forming some type of resistance a little bit under 740. Before falling back down and forming this handle a little bit below 735.47. Let's see what we got. Okay, so here we are, the 24th. We can see the price spiked up to a little bit under 740. Retrace back down and form that beautiful handle underneath 735.47. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's see how this played out in the live stream. man. All right. All right. All right. All right, cool. We survived. We survived. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Look at the money we just printed. There we go. Protect your trade. Oh man. My goodness. That was. There we go. Let's go. Heck yeah. Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. Look at the money we just printed. June 25th. On June 25th, we had a high of about 739.29 and a low of 729.63, about a 10-point swing. So in our pre-market, we want to look for the bolt down. The bolt down, we want to see a push down, some retracement, and maybe forming resistance a little bit above 736. Let's see what happened in real life. We see the push down, the retracement, forming resistance right underneath 736. You see all the wicks right here before the next push back down. Every single price point hit to perfection. Now let's check out the live stream. This is we don't need to trade for another month. Look at the money we just printed. Oh my goodness. Simply amazing. I told everyone, look, we're retesting the 50. There's nothing more I can do. Look, I told everybody, this is the retest of the 50 right here, right now. Look at the money that just got printed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm gonna move my second set just a little bit. It's about to get hectic. Look at this. I told you underneath the 50, I told you it's gonna be a bloodbath underneath the 50. Continuing on to June 26th. June 26th, we had a high of about 736.57 and a low. Actually, the low was pretty crazy at the last few seconds of the day. It spiked down to about 716.46. So let's see in the pre-market what the setups were. Let's look for the inverse cup and handle with a rejection off the 50 MA. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, we want to see the price spike up, grab some liquidity off the 50 MA before pushing down. Again, this is the price action that actually happened. As you can see, the price spiked up to about the 50 MA, grabbed that liquidity before the major push down. This was a significant push down. If we look into our trade chat, we can see we post the wins every day, by the way. On the 26th, it was so significant, I had to say, damn. If you're interested in learning how to trade with us, go to the website, livespytrading.com. I will get you sorted out. It's been a pleasure. Have a good day. Goodbye. This is too easy. This is why I'm the best. I mean, there's nothing more I can do, right? I told everyone what was going to happen and what's most likely to happen. If we get above this, form support at 32.21, it's going to go most likely to the 50. All that happened, right? Everything. Every single thing I said this morning happened to perfection. That's what I'm saying. Like we all want the big moves, but we don't hold for the long time. Even though you know the risk, even though I'm telling you, if we get below this, you know, we still have a chance here. We still have a chance here. If we get below a certain level, then you might want to call it. I even drew on the 5 what that level was. We're at the target. There's, you know, past here, we don't know. Now we don't know.